Okay, good day everyone. So welcome back to our math class. Again, this is teacher JJ. So how are you? Okay, I hope you are doing great and you are all fine. So in this video, we're going to talk about even and odd. So we're going to learn about even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, so look at the dots. So we're going to look at the dots. What is the number of the dots on each card? So the first one, how many numbers do we have? We have 1, 2. So we have 2. And then for the second card, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4. And then the next one, we have 6. And then we have 8. And then for the last one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are even numbers. So what number pattern do you see? So in this case or in this example, we're going to add 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So that is our pattern. So we're going to add 2 more digits or 2 more numbers. So again, the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are even numbers. Did you get it? Okay, so now let's move on to odd numbers. So in this example, what is the number of dots on each card? So the first card we have 1. And then the next card we have 1, 2, 3. So the next number is 5, 7, and then the last number is 9. So the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. So remember, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. So there is one that is not paired. So take a look at it. So this one, number 1, they are not paired. And then for the 3, 1 dot is not paired. And then for 5, 2, 4, and then 5, the one that is not paired. Okay, so I have here another example. The student in class 2A and 2B are lining up to go for a break. So let's take a look at the class 2A. So here are the students of class 2A. So did you notice that they are lining up by pair? So each students have pair. So which means there are 26 students in class 2A. So is 26 an odd or an even number? Is 26 an odd or an even number? So 26 is an even number. Are the students evenly paired? Okay, yes. So let's go to the class 2B. So look at the students. They are lining up by pair also. But the last girl don't have a pair. So how many students are there in class 2B? There are 27 students. Good job. So there are 27 students. So is 27 an odd or an even number? Very good. So 27 is an odd number because there is one student that is not paired. So there is one student that is not paired. She don't have a pair, or she doesn't have a pair. So here is another example. So I have here dots. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So an even number can be put into two groups. So remember, an even number can be put into two groups or two pair or by paired. Okay, so by paired. Okay, two, they are paired on each other, while an odd number has one item that is not paired. So let's take a look of it. So odd number has one item that is not paired. This one. So it is an odd number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 13. So 13 is an odd number. Okay? Do you understand? So the ones digit, of an even numbers is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So they all end up in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So I have here an example. 20. 20 is ending in 0. And then 22 ends with 2. 24 ends with 4. And then 26 ends with 6. And the last number is 28, ends with number 8. How about 40? So 40 is an even number, yes or no? Okay, 40 is an even number because 40 ends with 0. And then for the next one, the ones digit of an odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So I have here an example, 21. So 21 is an odd number because 21 ends with 1. And then 23 ends with 3. 25 ends with 5. 27 ends with 7. And 29 ends with 9. So how about 55? 55 is an odd or even number? Odd number. Very good, because 55 ends with number 5. The ones digit of 55 is 5. So it is an odd number. Good job. So let's have an activity. Okay, you're going to write odd or even to represent the number shown. For the letter A, how many dots do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So 10, 0, it ends in 0. So it is odd or even number? Even. Very good. And it is also paired 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So for the letter B, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, how many dots do we have? It is 15. Very good. So, 15 ends with what number? 5. So, 5, is it odd or even? Odd. So, it is an odd number. So, the next one. Let's count the fingers. How many fingers do we have? 1, 2, and 3. So, if we paired these two, the other one doesn't have a pair. So, is it odd or even number? Odd. And then for the last one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, if we pair these two and these two, they have a pair. They are paired. So, is it odd or even? Even. Good job. So, seems like you understand our lesson very well. Good job, kids. So, I have an activity for you. So, you're going to answer your book on page 41 to page 43. And I want you to memorize the even numbers, which is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then for the odd numbers, it is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, I want you to memorize the even numbers and the odd numbers. Okay? So, that's all for today. I hope every one of you learned about odd and even numbers. Okay, thank you for listening. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.